Everyone, well, Shaq is good. Renz is fine.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not feeling so well today. I think I can teach the class, but I may have to stop early. Okay, everyone here now?
Yami saying, I also am not feeling well, Dr. Woody. I have a cough.
I'm sorry to hear that. So if you don't feel well, then uh, someone is recording, right? Or not recording? Yeah, so you can get the recording and catch up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any more comments on lesson 2? See what I've got here.
Jasmine has her hand up.
Okay, yes, Jasmine.
So all of
Hold
us
on.
are, you can
Sorry,
see
1
me,
second.
right?
Say again?
For lesson 2, I believe. Sorry,
Yes,
sir. So who's base interpreting? Yeah. Okay. For lesson 2, sir,
Mm-hmm.
we all agreed tomorrow, Tuesday, with just the uh, eyebrows up, without the right. So let me explain, sir. Tomorrow, Tuesday, right? Is something that we can teach, right? But we don't want to uh, have them in the habit of always saying right. If
Mm-hmm.
we have the facial expression, that would be a better thing, because that's what hearing people are lacking, is the facial. So we're encouraging more use of facial. Yami said yesterday, uh, 29th of
Yeah.
Sunday, right? Tomorrow, Tuesday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Again, it's just too many rights. We just don't want it to be overused.
Okay.
So that's pretty much what we decided. Um,
Okay.
Peeves, did you want to add? Okay. Well, Yami also said yesterday that she realized that eat, finish, right, the thing that you described, Dr. Woody. So it applied to actually what we were talking about with
With Tuesday, huh?
the manual, right, or just having the facial expression. So uh, in normal conversations, we do use that. So the answer that we're trying to elicit is yes, true, right. But you know, if we just say tomorrow's Tuesday, then it could be just the answer could be yes or no, right? So I'll
Yes.
definitely send you that uh, document tomorrow.
Okay.
This is Patrick. I kind of disagree. Sorry. So yeah, see the concept. I kind of disagree. Uh, tomorrow's Tuesday. Tomorrow's Tuesday, right? Can be still be both put in the handbook. I don't think that because it's there that it's going to encourage the constant use of right. I mean, it just depends on the sentence. I think that we should include both ways. Tuesday is Tuesday. Tomorrow's Tuesday. and tomorrow's Tuesday, right? That's just my perspective.
Okay.
Or I'm not part of the group think. I don't agree with you guys.
Okay. That's fine. Actually, I was going to make the same suggestion Peebs made. So that one way you can do it, don't put it as A and B. Put it as separate sentences. Like, I can't remember what it is. Let's say 8 and 9. Example 8 is with the facial expression only. And then example 9 is with the right and facial expression. Then you can, just different examples, but put the, as Jasmine said, put the one with the facial expression first and put the right as another example. Then we can put the English translation in, and then at the end in section part 4, the linguistic and cultural information, then we can say that there are, you know, two ways of asking a question in Filipino Sign Language. One is to use only facial expression, as in example 8, let's say. Okay, and the other way is to make a statement and then ask if the statement is correct, as shown in example 9. And then say that it's not always easy to know which one is best. Okay, so you should ask your teacher in a given situation which example is best. And we can say that you'll be learning more about this throughout different lessons. So how do you both feel about that? Is it okay?
I see head nodding.
Okay. Now, sorry I didn't
Thumbs
think
up.
about this yesterday. I did after I left, but I didn't think about it early. Okay. So Rent has his hand up.
I agree with actually Yami because with the Tuesday facial expression compared to the other statement, we can answer it briefly versus a more complete sentence. So, you know, tomorrow's Tuesday, facial expression. Tomorrow, next week, Tuesday, facial expression. So any short sentence can include an NMS. And then with more information, tomorrow, next week, Tuesday, or sorry, next week, Tuesday, time 1 o'clock, right? So
Right.
depends on the sentence. So we can just have that comparison where one says it one way with the facial expression and the other can include right.
Okay. So do you want to make that change now, or you want to, sorry, do you want to make that change now, or you want to work on it and then send it to me later?
We'll send it to you, Jasmine saying we'll send it to you.
Okay, okay. I can help with um, information in part 4. I'll help you write the sentence.
Meng has her hand up.
Yes, Ming?
So from my perspective, if we're going to ask, is tomorrow Tuesday facial expression, the answer is a yes or no. If you add right, it's like an agreement or I don't agree. So that's what the nuance is, right? Because I feel like you're asking for two different answers. Another example is, so pretend now is Thursday. Is tomorrow Friday? Is tomorrow Saturday? So no, you're wrong. Tomorrow's Friday. So tomorrow's Saturday, right? Yeah, I don't agree. No. So that's the difference between the two.
Yeah, I think you're asking for, well, in English, you're asking for confirmation that you have an assumption that something is true. And you say, no, 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 is it true? Right? I'm right, right? Yeah,
Yes,
make sure.
it
Yeah,
makes it
you're asking
makes
for
it
a
true.
confirmation. Yeah. But if you say, almost like, it's tomorrow, Tuesday? Well, what day is tomorrow? You're almost asking like you don't know. Or you may have an idea, but you're not sure. So yeah, I think Ming's explanation, clear. I think both, all the comments, Jasmine's comments, Peeps' comments, Rence's comments, and Ming's comments, all are correct and related to the issue. And so I think sometimes it takes us a while to think about these things and discuss the possibilities. Okay, so anyway, that's good that you're, I think, coming to an agreement on that. And I think including both is not a problem as long as we say that you need to know more Filipino Sign Language before you know which one is the most appropriate to use. Okay. So I think we all agree on that. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Head
Okay,
nodding. Yes, sir.
good. Okay, so let's move on to, and again, when you're working on lesson 2, put a separate example number, not 7A, 7B, but 7 and 8. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
We'll separate them.
Okay, good. And so I think it'll be clear for the student. Um, uh, Lesson 3, any more comments on that?
Jasmine saying lesson 3. There seems to be no problem, sir. We're
Okay.
talking about lesson 3, right? Is
Yes,
there
yes.
anyone else here thinking they want to say something about lesson 3? Shaq, what about you? You're almost done, right? I'll wait for the spotlight. Yes. All right. All the colors are there, the colors of the rainbow. And there's just one part, because like I'm kind of hesitant in putting it in, put like the feedback that we had, and then I would make the design, and I'm just kind of hesitant a little bit to put it in without your agreement as of yet. This is Jasmine. Okay, yesterday, Dr. Woody, we had a meeting about the various colors, the signs, so that we can make a final decision on what will be in the handbook and what will be in the dictionary, but mostly for the handbook. So we're going back and forth about the other sign variants, trying to figure out what is most used, because again, we're trying to advocate FSL, but there's just certain signs like blue, which is more popular than the other one, and yellow. But don't worry, Dr. Woody. I think we got a handle on which signs we want to put in the handbook, and then whatever's left will be put in the dictionary.
Okay, good. Just respond to that. So I think that it's best if you can choose one sign, but if you feel two signs are both important, you can include both, and yellow one, yellow two, or gray one, gray two. But I wouldn't include more than two in the handbook. There may be 3 or 4 variants, but I would include normally only 2, unless it's really, really necessary to include more than 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, then you can include it in the handbook. We can also mention in the handbook that there are more variants and that these are included in the companion dictionary. Okay, so people will know to look for other variants.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I think you're coming along well. So Shop, did you want to show the examples now, or you want to show them later to the other students?
It's up to you guys. I can show them to you now. What do you guys think? For lesson 3, you want me to show you lesson 3? What do you guys think? 2 or 3? We already made a decision on 2, so let's just go ahead with lesson 3. All right, thumbs up. All right, okay. Lesson 3 it is. So the host is now in charge of sharing. So who's the host? The host? Maybe you even give me the power. Jasmine, are you? Okay.
Yes.
How about now? All right, thumbs up. So there's violet 1, violet 2 here.
Okay.
And also gray 1, gray 2.
Okay.
And then
Are we going to keep list in order?
yes.
Are we going?
So
we're
list,
going to keep that
list
because we didn't use that in the grammar.
List of 5. You mean this, sir?
Yes, yes. I don't think we used this sign in the grammar because we used here colors how many and here colors what, but we didn't use this sign.
All right, so take that out.
Yeah.
Everyone agree? Yes, okay. Great.
Good.
So we said gray. We used gray for that color before for the piece of paper. Now we've changed it to black.
Yeah, I think it's more clear.
Okay, good.
Sorry. One more thing needs to be changed. Go back up. Number 1, example 1. Okay.
Sure.
Example 2, good. Sorry. Example 1, what are these colors here? H-E-R-E instead of have. Yes, okay. Now number 2, okay, is black and white, yes.
Okay.
Let me see the sign again. The top. Okay, rents, ballpoint pen, colors have how many? Okay. Yes. And let me see the English translation. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Change does to do. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay.
One
Okay.
sec here. One sec. Where am I?
Okay. Looks good. Can we go back? Sorry, can we go back up to the first sentence again? Okay, right there. Okay. And then down to example 3. Okay, good. I just want to make sure that each have has the non-manual. Sometimes I forget to look for that. Okay, number 4, I think. Yes, okay. Yes, okay, good. Okay. Yes, okay. 3, okay, good. And then colors 3, what? Okay, good. 8. First is blue, okay. Second is orange, okay. And third is violet, okay. Good. Go back up. Go back up to the beginning sentence, sentence 1. Sorry. My fault. My mind is not working clearly. Go back down to where we ask how many colors. I think it's example 5 or 6. Okay. That one, yeah. Example 5. Colors, how many here? Colors, how many? Okay. And then go down to number 6. 3 colors. Okay. And go back to number 7. Colors 3, what? It looks good. What are these colors? Maybe you want to put more specifically, what are these 3 colors? Since you have 3, we now have 3 in the examples. So add 3, yeah, no. Yeah. Yes. Okay, good. And number 8, let's see, number 8. Okay, go down to the translation now. Okay, because we changed things around, we no longer say there are three colors. We say the first is blue, the second is orange, and the third is violet. So just take out, there are three colors. Yes, good. Okay, part 2, talking about colors. Okay. T-shirt, pants, trousers, hair, good. Verbs, like, to, and dislike, don't like. Okay. Example 9. That is correct, right? We went from 8 in the last exercise to 9. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. So,
Okay. All right. So what colors do you like? Good. Okay. All right. I like violet. Okay, good. Number 11. You color don't like what? Okay, good. Orange, pink, don't like. Okay, good. 13. Your hair color what? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so you want to delete my so hair black. That's fine. Okay, all right. Okay, okay. Look at those beautiful people. The ones in the picture. So Kyla and Patrick, right? Okay.
there's a discussion between Jasmine and Peebs about the word scent. You use the for the example. Does that mean sentence? And Jasmine says, I don't know. It was in the Ho Chi Minh book, so we're just following SEN. So Jasmine has her hand
So
up now.
which example? Sorry.
Dr. Woody,
Yes.
SENT 1, SENT 2, SENT 3.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Because
It means you can write it out if you want. Sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3, but it's all part of the same example. So
sentence.
yeah,
Okay, it's a
short
shortened
form.
version
I
for
mean,
sentence.
if you prefer to write out the whole word, that's fine. So you can make it, that's a stylistic decision. People in Ho Chi Minh City didn't know English very well, so when we were doing the English version, just typed the abbreviation. But easy in Vietnamese, only 3 letters for the word sentence, C-A-U. It has a tone mark, but C-A-U. Yeah, I think it's C-A-U. Yeah, so that's like a little mark over the U.
So
So anyway, we just abbreviated it. So if you want to type it out, because I think most people in the Philippines will understand sentence, so you don't have to abbreviate.
It should be complete. Meng is saying it should be sentence.
Yeah, that's fine.
Shaq has his hand up.
Yeah, sure.
Let's do a vote. A, sent. B, let's complete it by using the word sentence. C, we can use another word. So A, B, C, let's vote. People saying, what's the other word? Well, whatever what you're going to add. Peeps, you have a word that you want to add? Or maybe example. Peeps is saying example or sample. Okay, so A, B, C. Let's do a vote. Who wants to do? Okay. Let's just raise your hand when I indicate the letter. A. Is there any A's? B's. B's. Yami, B, Kyla, Meng, Marvin, Peeps, no. Okay, Nat. So it looks like B's win it. It's
Okay.
B. All right,
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, now I want to explain to you also that at the beginning of the book, we will have a key. I don't know how to say it, K-E-Y, but it's like explanation key. So we'll have N equals noun, and then spell it out. And then V equals verb. So all of the abbreviations we use. So in that case, had we used S-E-N-T, we would have S-E-N-T equals sentence. But I think you don't need that, okay? Yeah. And then also for drawings, for the movement. So like, what does a double arrow mean? Repeated movement. Like an arrow like this is repeated movement to the right. And then like this is repeated movement to the left. So I'll share that with you when we finish all of the drawings. No need to worry about that now. Okay, so you'll have one explanation key for the abbreviations like N, V, AUX, and then other explanation key for the drawings. The movement on the drawings. No. Okay, good. Moving right along. Okay, Shop, take us to the next example or next vocabulary.
So, okay.
Shaka saying we're all done.
That's it.
Okay, what about the homework? Let's take a look at the homework.
Peeps here. We had the discussion of lesson 3. So Dr. Woody, if you're feeling sick, perhaps it's okay just to let you go and we'll just continue working as a group on lesson 4. We just want to make sure that you have your rest. What do you think of that, Dr. Woody?
Oh, that's fine. We've gone just about an hour.
We'll meet again Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday. So do you want to meet for an hour or 2 hours among yourselves today?
We'll continue till 5, Dr. Woody,
Okay,
hopefully.
okay.
Then by that time, Tuesday, we'll have it all done and ready to explain to you.
Okay. Do you want me to send you, actually, I think there's some problems with lesson 5. I could send you lesson 1 if you want. Lesson 6, there are more problems, but
All right, sure.
or I think just let me know. So if you finish lesson 4 in an hour, then you all can stop and relax for a while. If you finish it in 2 hours, that's fine also. Just let me know and I'll put it down as credit for your work. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So I should put you down for credit for about 1 hour for yesterday, right? Because you worked at least an hour yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So I'm putting down 3 hours each day, unless there's more time or less time. So we'll average of 3 hours a day. Okay, thank you for your understanding. Sorry, not well today. Didn't sleep very well last night, so feel very tired. Yeah.
We
Anyway,
understand,
but
sir. Thank you, sir. Be well.
yeah, you all did a great job on lessons 2 and 3, and I think you'll do fine on lesson 4 also. But don't hesitate to ask, like on Tuesday, if you have questions on lesson 4 also.
Yes, sir. Will do.
Okay. All right. Do you want me to send you lesson 1, Peeps?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
please.
Then, you know, if you want to work on it, fine. If you want to wait, that's fine. I will
Okay,
do
sir.
that immediately. Okay. So thank you very much. See you on Tuesday. Have a good week. Hope you get some rest.
Have a good rest, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Take
Bye-bye.
care.